Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning, and I'll just show you real quickly what I got, and I will give you the product number as well if you want to call the 1-800 number, look it up, enter the number and your zip code, and you can see that item is in your area. May save your trip. Sometimes they do put the same numbers on more than one item, so especially when it comes to dies and embossing, folding, and some ephemera, so sometimes the numbers may not help you, but it will let you know if you have something in that catalog or category, of items that you're looking for, maybe at your store. So anyway, let's jump right in. The first thing I have is My Mind's Eye, and this is called Hey Mister, and this is just some little puffy stickers, and I got it because it's Father's Day, masculine time, and it's really difficult to find anything that has sort of a masculine look or masculine colors, especially if you're a scrapbooker. Most of your colors are pastels, and I'm not necessarily a pastel lover anyway. I like bold colors, but you have to work with those colors when you're a paper crafter. But so whenever I see masculine stuff, I try to grab it because I have 2 biological sons, 2 other ones that I raised as well. So it's harder to scrap, and I got a grandson, so it's harder to scrap for them sometimes. So I like to get masculine stuff when I see it. So this little sticker set is a 60-piece puffy sticker set. So it's a little bit of dimension. It's $1.99. The number is 1995844. So I thought that'd be cute to put on some tags or something like that. Anything that you're making, index ATCs or Rolodex or something like that, I could use some of these little stickers on. I did pick up the Studio Calico wood veneers, and it's called Yearbook, and it's 1964087, and it has 18 pieces in here. And these are some of the images that you can see on the back. So it has play, exclamation point, what's up, my favorite, good times, good morning, perfect. So just different little sayings, my favorites, school days, cool. So just different little fun things that you can add, again, to any paper crafting product. I picked up this Dear Lizzy, and it's 8 pages of stickers, and it's called Lucky Charms, $1.99 as well, 1976787. So, and it says 46 stickers in it, and so you've probably seen these little sticker books before. And I'll just show you real quickly what's in this set. So, the stickers are like stickers because they're a little bit thicker. They're not like chipboard, but a little bit thicker. And you can use these on pretty much any kind of project that you want to put them on. Most of your colors are pastels, but, got quite a few different images and sizes that you can use. Even circular ones. So, again, you can use those for different types of projects. I like making tags and things like that, so I think they'd be fun to add to some tags or some dimension or just layering. So that was that. I got another sticker set. This is by Momenta. I thought that was pretty cute. And it's $1.69. And this one is called, it says MM Love This. I guess the MM is for Momenta. So it just says Love This. And it is 1986555. They also had some flat stickers in, which were repeated from the last couple of weeks, which were from Pink Paisley, Heidi Swap, and somebody else. Anyway, so this is a 20-piece set. It says Live It Up, Best Day Ever, Fabulous, Love This, XO, Make It Happen, Amazing, You Are Here. Let's see what's at the bottom. Choose happy, be your best ever, hashtag. So, I just thought they were cute, fun, dimensional stickers to have, again, that you can add to pretty much any paper project. Sorry about that glare. They brought back out some more of the Bow Bunnies, and they're still the same price, which is good. They're $2.99. I didn't have this one, I don't believe, Pocket Full of Poses. I got to double check, but I don't think I had this one. I had the other floral one. And the number of this one is 1976932, 11-piece set. And this one is 31. So the last 2 digits are the only thing that changed because it's all the Bow Bunny collection. So it's 1976932, 1976931. And this one is Everyday Icons. So, and this is a 45-piece set. So again, this is great for your planner, any kind of ATCs, iCads, what, member decks. What's the things you mail out? The pocket letters, different things like that. You need smaller size scaled items. So you got things, let it snow, oh so crafty, it's raining, it's pouring, create, let's eat, yum. You got food up here, coffee, you know, sunshine, clouds, rains, umbrella, mittens, snow, pie, yarn, crafty stuff. So a lot of variety of different things. They had a whole bunch of the TCW, the Crafters Workshop, 6x6 stencils. I got a few designs. I need to check on this. I don't think I have her. I think I have her facing differently with some other Spanish words behind it, but I got to double check because I know I had picked one up for myself and for my sister last year when they came out. So, and actually, if you look at these, again, I like to point some things like people say, oh, you got them. Well, this says July of 2018. This is obviously June. What's today's date? The 12th, 13th, something like that. Today is the 13th. And I got these on the 11th. Okay. So, obviously, my store put them out earlier. But just to let you know that you may not get them into your area to July. So, this is probably going to be part of the July sale. I didn't even look to see if these were July. Okay, see, the extra bow bunnies were July. Okay, this is June. June. That's May. And that's June. So sometimes I show you stuff. My stores will put them out quick. So anyway, this one, the Crafters Workshop, 1994791. And when I was talking about the numbers earlier, these all have the same exact number. So you actually have to go to your store because there's so many different designs. I mean, like, usually when they come out with the stencils, there may be 30, 40 different designs. And I guess they don't want to use that many SKUs. So you actually would have to go to your store. But if you type in the 1994791, you would know they at least have some stencils. Typically what they do is the 6x6 will have one number, and then the 12x12s or the 5x8s or the 6x9s have different numbers. So that's one that I got. This one. This one, of course, mixed media, backgrounds, adding dimension to your tags, and different things like that. So again, that's coming out in July. And then last, I got 2 of the journal chipboards, crepe paper. They're 42 adhesive back chipboard stickers, and they're $1.99 each, and it's 1976763. Yeah. So you can see the different pieces. Got journey, have more adventure, well travel, detour. Got a tag here. Got banners that says smile. Let's something. Traveler, scenic route. So you got all kinds of stuff you can go along with that paper. The paper pad journey. I have enough travel paper with pretty much those colors on it that I don't have that pad of paper, but it will work. I don't think I have that pad of paper. I'm pretty sure I don't. But this can work with a lot of different collections, as well as this poolside. I couldn't remember if I had gotten 2 of these or just 1 of these, so I picked another one up. I think I only got 1 of these. But anyway, this one is 1976761, same price. And again, this can go with a lot of different, because it's pastel colors. So I don't have that paper pad poolside either. All right, so again, call the product hotline number. Also check the clearance area because, like I shared before, I got a Maggie Home paper pad. It was dated of 2017. They had the current same paper pad in the front being sold up front for $6.99, but because that paper pad had an old sticker date and had been there for so long, I don't know why, it was in the back, why it had been there so long. But it was in the back on clearance and had some other paper pads the same way at some of the Tuesday morning stores. So even some of the stencils and stuff that be re-released. So if you see something that's in your Tuesday morning and it was already there before, like if this is the second time that came out, like these stencils have come out about 4 different times, different sets of stencils, although these ones are pretty much newer designs, except maybe this one, at least in my area anyway, and maybe that one. The other ones, I don't think I've had these before in my area, but when they repeat something and it doesn't sell and it sits there, sits there for a long time, they send it to the back, to the clearance aisle. And then they may be still sitting there by the time the new ones are re-released. And I've had that happen more than once. Like the, oh my gosh, what's the case with the American Crafts with the border punches, and I think they were like 19.99 or 14.99. And I think I got my set on clearance. I got two different sets of them, the pink set and the blue set. I think I paid one. I paid $5.80 or something like that. The other one I paid $6.20. Because they were in the back in clearance, and then they came right back out. The same thing when they had those markers, chromatic markers, which I got them a couple years ago. They sucked, but anyway, when I got them, I think they were in the store in 19.99. I waited, went to another Tuesday morning. They had them out longer, and I think I paid, I don't know, maybe $9 for them anyway. So it's not always there, and it's feast or famine. But I go to more than one Tuesday morning typically. Not like I used to. I used to go to all 9 of them, but I just don't have the time to do that anymore. But anyway, so just always check there. And another tip is always hide at the top and always check at the bottom. People hide stuff. Cashiers that work there hide stuff. I mean, I don't know if it's them. It could be people coming in the store. What I mean is that people just move stuff around, and because they're holding it. So always check high and always check low. So that's how you find some of the goodies too. So anyway, take care. God bless, and have a wonderful day and a day you to be creative.